The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Welcome back, students. How are you all? Doing good? Okay. So, let me share an information with you. Do you know Google has developed an app to free up space in our mobile phone? Okay, it gives suggestions of your unused images or unused apps. So, it gives categorized contents to clear so you can easily find out the unused contents. Okay, so if you want to download means it is available in Google Play Store. So, you can use it. Okay, students. So, let's start our session. Okay. So, today we are going to discuss about the last software in the chapter 5. Okay. It gives an information about the molecular structures. That is, it gives a 3D view of the molecular structures. You can easily identify the atoms and molecules, okay, which is in a particular molecule. If it is H2O means you can find out the combinations easily. Okay, so it is written with C program. Clear? And it will be work in Unix and Windows. Okay, and its extension is PDB, that is Protein Data Bank. It is generally connected with the biological molecular structures. Okay, so let's start our session. Okay, bye. So, Rasmol, it is a software which is developed by Roger Say. Okay, and you can easily observe the three-dimensional format of the particular molecules. Okay, and you can easily identify its contents with the different colors and different atoms you can easily find out. Okay, and here, that is earlier I have said that its extension is PDB. Okay, and here the first activity is to observe the molecular structure of fullerene. Generally we are discussing with the allotropies of carbons. What are the main allotropies of carbon? That is, yes, diamond and fullerene. Or is it? So here, open the Rasmol software by application science in Rasmol. You have to open with GTK version. Clear? And you can open the file. It is available in our system. So you can open the file in home and you can open the fullerene molecule. Okay, file open like that, you can open that. Clear? And next is, if you want to change the view means you have the option ball and stick. So you can see that ball and stick format. Okay, and here just turn the mouse or twist the mouse, the molecular structure will be turned. Okay, so like this you can observe the molecules. You have the number of molecules to observe, you can easily check that. I will show you in the practical session. Okay, and next one is, if you want to display the details of the particular structure means, you can open the command prompt. Okay, by pressing F1 or you have the option in view menu. Clear? So in that you will get the details about the number of carbon atoms or the molecules. Okay, details. And if you want to apply any color means, you can give the color. Color yellow means it will be displaying with yellow. It is an example here. So the comments it is not same here. It is not clear. I will show you in the practical section. Okay. So these are the things you can type the contents. If it is selected means you can select the particular carbon, or hydrogen means you can select the hydrogen. Okay, it will be displaying with a particular color. Clear? So only we have 2 or 3 activities in this and it will be very interesting. Okay, we'll see you in the practical section. And here they have given the characteristics of diamond and graphite. After watching the practical video, just complete the combination of carbon atoms of graphite. I will show you in that, you can find out. Okay students, you have to write the steps of observing the molecular structure of fullerene and D-space. Okay, and here you can find out the PDB files of diamond and graphite molecules and you can check that condensing. Okay, in using this Rasmol software. Clear? So this is the last section of the chapter 5. The practical have been completed. Okay, complete your steps. So let's go for the practical video. Okay. Start our activity. So to open Rasmol, go to application and here it is education and select the option Rasmol GTK version. Here you can see that view macromolecules, like that they have given the options. Okay, just select Rasmol GTK version and the first step is you have to open the PDB file which I have given in the system. Okay, so go to file and open, and here in desktop I have saved the resources. So I am selecting the folder PDB and select the option graphite. First I am going to display the graphite molecule. Okay, so I have just selected the graphite. The first view you can see here it is, that is known as wire and free. Can you see that using this mouse pointer you can rotate the molecular structure or you can twist. Can you see that? Okay. If you want to change the view of this molecules means you can change. Go to view. You can change. Go to display and here it is backbone, or else you can select ball and stick. Here you can see the options ball and stick. Okay. Can you see that? Okay, fine. So this is the arrangement of the molecules in graphite. So now we can understand how it is arranged. So if you want to know the details of these molecules means go to view and select the option command prompt. So it will be displayed here, and here you can give a command as select. Just click on the cursor here and here select. That is which one you have to know, that carbon. Okay, so select carbon, so it will give the options, that is how many carbon atoms is present in that molecule. So here it is 200 atoms is present in this graphite molecule. Can you see that? Okay, and if you want to distinguish with this view means you can give a color. So give color yellow means you can give yellow. So the color is changed. Now you can see that. Or else if you want to change the color means color hue. Okay. So like this you can identify the particular structure or the molecular structure using this Rasmol. Okay students, we'll see the next one. Go to open and I am displaying the diamond structure here. If you want to change, just change a new window. Just changing this. Select a new window, go to application, education and Rasmol. So just open the file, diamond. Okay, here you can see that. And just select another displaying option. If it is ribbons means it won't display wire and frame. And here it is select ball and stick.
Okay, can you see that how the arrangement is in diamond molecule? Okay, if you need to display the contents or the details means go to view, and here it is command prompt. Okay, just type select carbon. So these are two allotropies of carbon atom, that is graphite and diamond. So here it is 331 atoms present in this molecule. Okay, and you can just give a color red, you can give that. So all the carbon atom is selected here. Okay, and we can see another example which is contain another type of molecules. Okay, if it is glucose means you know its structure, is it? So we have just open that resources, and here are the PDB images. If it is chlorophyll means you are studying that, is it? Acetic acid, and you know the its structure, is it? So here I am selecting the glucose. What is its? This is its wire and frame structure, and here I am selecting ball and stick. Okay, so glucose, here you can display the number of carbon atoms. Just go to view, and here it is select carbon. If it is present means it will be displayed. 6 atoms is present. Okay, if you want to give the carbon atom, you want to see the carbon atoms, just give a color blue. Can you see that? So here it is the carbon atom is present. And if you want to display the hydrogen atoms means, that is its structure is C6H12, and other you will know that, is it? So here I am giving color or select hydrogen. Is it 12 atoms? So if you want to give it its yellow color means you can give color yellow. Clear? So like this you can display the contents using this Rasmol software. Okay. Clear, students? So these are the activities you have to do in this software. Okay, it will be very easy. So complete the steps to display such contents. Go through the video clearly and write the steps and send to me as a PDF file. Okay, students? So we will see you in the next class.
So, I hope you have understood the content. Is it interesting one? Okay. So, complete the notes. Okay, send to me as PDF files. Most of you are not sending the files. So, make it fast. Okay. We'll see you in the next class.